Hello everyone. I'm Tarindi Himaranshi. South Asia is the southern region of Asia, which is defined in both geographical and ethnocultural terms. The region consists of the countries of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, the Maldives, and Sri Lanka. Let's see early childhood care and development in these countries. Abbreviations. Early childhood care and development in Bangladesh. This is my content. Officially, the People's Republic of Bangladesh is a country in South Asia. It is the eighth most populous country in the world, with a population exceeding 163 million people. Bangladesh shares land borders with India to the west, north, and east, Myanmar to the southeast, and the Bay of Bengal to the south. Evolution and new trends in early childhood education in the country. In the 1972 post-war rehabilitation, Muhammad Qudat was a Bangladesh organic chemistry educationist and a writer. He founded the Bangladesh Council of Scientific and Industrial Research of the independence of Bangladesh as a chairman of the National Education Commission. In 1974, he published a report named Qudat Education Commission Report. Save the Children, which first started work on early childhood development in Bangladesh in 1983. Prescribed textbooks, which is produced by Bangladesh National Curriculum and Text Board in 1984. Mafisuddin Ahmad Education Commission, which was formed in 1988, also recommended introducing early childhood education in the form of a baby class attached to government primary school and also encouraged the establishment of kindergarten and nursery school. A group of non-government organizations initiated structured in early childhood care and development in 1992. Only non-government NGOs development was totally ignored in health service delivery. Up to 2000, early childhood development national policies. The comprehensive early childhood care and development policy adopted by the Ministry of Women and Children's Affairs, which has been approved in 2013 November. The government approved the Strategic Operational and Implementation Plan of Comprehensive Early Childhood Care and Development Policy in 2016. The present government is the very commencement of its tenure formed an educational commission led by Honorable National Professor Kabir Chowdhury to prepare national education policy for the nation. Based on the commissioner's report, National Education Policy 2010 has been announced. This policy category emphasized introducing of pre-primary education. The National Child Policy applicable to all children, the citizens of Bangladesh without any discrimination was endorsed in 2011. How early childhood education works in the country. Skills in turn have been conceptualized through the 5 development domains. They are physical development, social competency, emotional maturity, language and cognitive development, and communication skills. Curriculum and teaching methods. They are number writing and readings, letters writing and reading, design processing, crafts, drawing, outdoor activities and indoor activities. Public contributions and private sector contribution. Government contributions and non-government contributions. These are my findings. How to substitute for Sri Lanka. Focusing on developing the mathematical concept, focusing on cognitive development are mainly in Bangladesh. Also, the teachers are very friendly with kids. Indoor and outdoor classroom are very attractive. We can see they use audio in learning. These are my references. Thank you.